Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix voice chat not working on Roblox mobile, voice chat not showing up. So there are multiple uh, solutions for that. So first of all, the main solution is you can turn on voice chat on mobile iOS or Android apps. So first of all, you have to go to the More tab, then go to the More settings tab from the app, and after that you have to go to the privacy and content maturity tab, then communication tab, and under voice chat toggle the use microphone to chat with voice selector to on, and the toggle will turn from gray to green, indicating that voice chat has been enabled for your account. You can toggle the selector off at any time to disable voice chat. And if this method doesn't help you, then you can also do other stuff like you can verify microphone permissions on your device. Like first of all, you have to go to your device setting and find the privacy or permission sections, then check for microphone permissions and ensure Roblox has the permission to access your microphone. And you may need to grant or re-grant permission to Roblox. And if this method is also not working, so you can restart Roblox or your device. First of all, close Roblox completely and reopen it. If that doesn't work, try restarting your mobile device. And let me tell you some consider other potential issues like age restrictions. Voice chat is typically available for users aged 13 and above. Device compatibility. Ensure your device is compatible with Roblox and its features, and a stable internet connection is necessary for voice chat to work properly. And test your microphone to ensure it's working correctly in other apps and doesn't have any issues. And if the issue persists, it may be due to Roblox server issues and you may need to wait for them to resolve. So that's it for this video. Hope you find your solution from all the methods I have told you, and see you on the next video.